Hello my dear children. As you know, we have been discussing about the reproductive system in human beings. Now we have come to the last portion of this lesson, that is reproductive health. In today's module, we will be discussing the different infections that are sexually transmitted. Then we will be discussing the contraceptive methods that are usually followed for birth control. And also we'll be discussing the effect of human population on the living standards of the society, and also how these contraceptive methods help in maintaining the health and prosperity of a family. Now let us start with sexually transmitted diseases that are caused by different microorganisms. The STDs that are caused by bacteria are gonorrhea and syphilis. The viral infections which are caused are warts and HIV/AIDS, which is familiar to you. Let us see what is contraceptive method. See, contraceptive methods are the different ways by which birth can be controlled, or we can prevent the fertilization of egg and sperm. There are mainly 4 categories of contraceptive methods: mechanical barrier, chemical barrier, IUCD or IUD, and surgical methods. Mechanical method is use of mechanical barriers like condoms on penis or vaginal coverings so that the sperm is prevented from reaching the egg and thus fertilization is prevented. The use of mechanical barriers like condoms help in preventing sexually transmitted diseases. Chemical barrier means using oral pills which changes the hormonal balance of the body so that the eggs are not released and so fertilization will be prevented. Using oral pills can cause side effects as they are creating hormonal imbalance. IUCD or intrauterine contraceptive devices. Examples are loop or copper T. These are devices that are placed in the uterus to prevent pregnancy. Copper T is a T-shaped device which have copper wiring wound on it. It is toxic to the egg and sperm and will prevent the sperm and egg from fertilizing. It also delays the transport of egg so that there is less chance for the sperm and egg from meeting. And it also changes the lining of the uterus so that it is unable to support a fertilized egg, and the fertilized egg will not be attached to the uterus. So by this method, pregnancy can be prevented. The use of IUCD also can cause side effects as it is causing irritation on the uterus lining. You can see the copper T on the right side. It's shaped like the letter or the alphabet T, and you can see a copper wiring on it and how it is placed inside the uterus. Surgical method is by blocking the vas deferens or the fallopian tube. By blocking the vas deferens in the male, the sperm is prevented from transferring. And also by blocking the fallopian tube, the egg is prevented from reaching the uterus. Female-male sex ratio means the ratio between the number of females and males. It is very important that this ratio should be maintained for the proper development of a society. You might have heard about female feticide. That means selectively killing female fetuses within the womb of the mother for their personal benefits. This has been made illegal for proper female-male sex ratio or to maintain the female-male sex ratio. For a healthy society, it is important that the female-male sex ratio must be maintained. That is why prenatal sex determination, that is, determining the sex of the fetus before birth, has been prohibited by law. Use of contraceptive methods to control the population is very important because increased population affects the standard of living of the society. Use of these contraceptive methods also have effects on the health and prosperity of a family. Let us see how. Using contraceptive methods to control the birth help to avoid frequent pregnancy. If we avoid frequent pregnancy, it will help the mother to have a healthy body and mind. It also helps in developing children properly with proper care and attention. It maintains the living standards of the family. It will help in providing the children with proper education, clothing, life standards, etc.